Step into the 2009 Toyota Yaris. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, and air conditioning. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.